All right, we are out in South St. Louis County on Reavis Barracks Road, and we've got an old favorite to check up on here, maybe, because I see someone backing away from the automatic bay. But I don't know if you remember the Reavis Barracks car wash with DNS 5000. But this place got a new owner and a new name and a new system since the last time I was here. It is now the Classic Car Wash. Looks like the whole place has gotten a little bit of a makeover. And they have a new, I believe, Wash World system in their automatic bay.
We'll find out here in a second.
I don't know why this guy is like outside of his car. Oh yeah, this is decked out too.
Holy wow. Wait, it's got like a timer on the side. What's that?
There goes the door, so we won't be able to see anything else.
Oh, and I turned the dryer off.
Oh, see, the last time I was here, the dryer was just disabled completely. I think it says something about the neighbors were complaining about it.
Yeah,
so
that's what that is, yeah.
So now instead of having it off completely, it's off during the night. Interesting. And then I like how they have a little status sign. Shows you how far through the cycle the car is. Just 4 different status markers on it. And then I'm gonna hand the phone over to Jason so he can get you a better view at the wash options, because I can't really see. So one thing that's interesting here, their auto cashier actually won't let you buy a wash while it's in progress. You have to wait till the car in front of you is done. They do have a like a modern card reader up there though, so that's been retrofitted on. Okay, so the guy in front of us is done. No change returned. Hopefully the card reader works. It pretty much approved the thing instantly. It's very quick for one of these. This looks like a cool install. Big old bay heater.
Please drive forward.
Okay, DNS.
Please place car in park.
It smells really good in here.
The crystal cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle. The crystal cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
It's a good thing it announces it, because you certainly can't see anything through this coating of pre-soak.
Ceramic coat product is now being applied to
I guess they made a deal with the county and they have dryers now during the daylight hours. What a strange setup on this. Oh, it's sound dampening. That's what this is. They built a enclosure around the dryer of sound dampening material. I'm sure that's what they did here. How weird. It's clever, I'll give them that. Huh. Yeah, look, that's definitely that's just like a homebrewed dryer enclosure.
There's houses right there. I guarantee you it's like those
Yeah,
people.
notice all the no loud music, no loitering. Like, these people must have just been writing in complaints nonstop over here, is all I can guess. Look at that crazy dryer enclosure. I've never seen anything like it. That is so funny. So, yeah, they just enclosed everything in like a little structure that's just loaded up with sound dampening materials. So, I mean, it was clever. They found a way to get dryers back. Last time I was here, this place didn't have dryers, and a sign basically said the county told them to shut them off. So, very cool. I heard that this is owned by, like, a family member of the same person that owns a neighborhood car wash that's kind of over by me, which is a really nice place, and this seems to be up to that same standard now. So, if that's true, these guys definitely know how to run a car wash. And also, I think that the Razor Edge is definitely one of the nicest machines on the market, so good choice there too. All right, I guess that's it.